Hello students, today we are going to start our second chapter. Its name is Linear Equations in One Variable. First exercise is 2.1. First question is, what is an equation? Give two examples. So let us write the definition of statement. An equation is a statement that states the equality of two expressions. 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 So this is the definition. An equation can have one or two variables. Okay, so let us have two examples. First example is suppose x minus 1 is equal to 5. These type of equations you have studied in class 7th. Second statement is suppose 5y plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay, this is also an equation. In the first example we have variable x equation, and in second example we have the linear equation of y variable. So both of these are the equation having one variable. Okay, and I am going to write one more example that is not in your course. It looks like this: 2x plus y is equal to minus 5. This is called linear equation in two variables. Now in this class this is not in your course. Okay, in this chapter you have to study only up to this extent. Number 2, fill in the blanks. First part, equations with linear expressions in one variable only are called dash in one variable. So any expression having one variable is called linear equation in one variable. So we will write here linear equation. Equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Okay. Second is the value of x which makes the equation a true statement is called dash of the equation. So value of x is the solution of the statement. Okay. Next is third part, the solution of 2x minus 3 equals to 7 is. So let us find the value of x here. So this is the expression: 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. This minus 3 when goes to right side changes its sign. So 7 plus 3 gives you 10. and 2 is being multiplied on the left side, So it will divide 10 on the right hand side. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So the value of x is 5. So we will write here 5. Okay. Next is, if 1 upon 5 minus x is equal to minus 4 upon 5, then x is equal to. So statement, students will first solve it. 1 upon 5 minus x is equal to minus 4 upon 5. This is the linear equation that we have to find the value of x here. X is in negative. This 1 upon 5, when changes the side, it becomes negative 1 upon 5. Okay. We have the same denominators, so the LCM will be 5, and so the numerator will be shown like this. Now minus 4 and minus 1 gives you minus 5, and minus x will be copied as it is. Here negative negative will be cancelled, 5 will be cancelled, and the value of x will be 1. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Now students, fifth part is, if 2x plus 7 is equal to 4, then y is equal to what? Okay, students, this in this you have to find the value of y yourself, okay, as your homework. Next is question number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. An equation containing one variable raised to the power of 1 is called the linear equation in one variable. Yes. Any equation having one variable raised to the power of 1 only is called the linear equation. It means that the variable should not have a power more than 1. Okay, there should not be a power of 2 or 3 there. So this is a linear equation of one variable. Okay, one variable raised to the power of 1 is called the one variable. So this is a true statement. Okay. Now the second part is, the same number can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the equality of two sides. Yes, it is correct. If you add anything on both sides of any equation, suppose I have this equation. Okay, if I have this equation, if I am going to add 8 this side and I am going to add 8 that side, so the expression will have no change. Okay, so this is also a true case. Okay, next is the third part. Both sides of an equation can be multiplied by the same number without changing the equality of the two sides. Yes, it is correct that if you are going to multiply anything on left hand side and right hand side of an equation, you get no change in the value of the equation. On solving the equation, you don't get any change in the value of the equation. Next is fourth part. The solution of 7x plus 11 is equal to 25 is x is equal to 3. So we have to check whether on solving this equation we get x is equal to 3 or not. So let me first write the equation. 7x plus 11 is equal to 25. 7x is equal to 25. When this constant value will change its side, it will become negative. So 25 minus 11 gives you 14. So 14, and this 7 will come down. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. We have got the value of x as 2, but in the question it is given x is equal to 3. So this is not true. This is a false statement. Okay, so only fourth part is false and rest of the parts are true. Next is, which of the following equations are linear equations? Students, in first part, 3 upon 2 x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3. In this first equation, we can see that the variables are in the numerator and there is no power above the variable. So this is a linear equation. Next, x square plus 2 is equal to x plus 1. In this equation, we can see that there is a power of 2 over x. So this is not a linear equation. Next, this is third part. This is u plus 1 upon u is equal to 5. So students, a linear equation should not have a variable in the denominator. Okay, when any variable has a variable, if any equation has a variable in denominator, this is not a linear equation. When this variable comes to the numerator, it changes its power. The sign of the power gets negative. So this is not a linear equation. Next is y minus 3 is equal to 3y plus 4. In this equation, we can see that there is only one variable y. Okay, and the variables are not in numerator, not in denominator. So this is a linear equation. Okay, so out of these four, first and fourth part is the linear equation and second and third are not the linear equation. Okay, so students, from question number 5 we will solve tomorrow. Thank you.